Hey friends, if you wish to fix this issue of the laptop keyboard auto pressing on your computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now here's the thing. If it's happening, there is quite a probability that you have an external keyboard connected through Bluetooth, which is placed somewhere else and a key is being pressed, maybe some object is placed on it or the key is stuck. So sort this out, try to disconnect the keyboard and verify if it is with the external keyboard or not. Okay, once this has been sorted out, the next solution will be a clean boot to isolate the case with the interference of a third party software causing the problem. So search for system configuration in the Windows search bar, open system configuration, go to the services tab, check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any of the services checked, click on disable all, apply, okay, and then click on restart. And the last solution will be to update the keyboard driver. So search for device manager in the Windows search bar, open the device manager, expand the list for keyboard drivers, right click on the keyboard driver number one, and then click on search automatically for drivers to update it. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.